So if y'all don't know who this woman is right here, she's like one of the top officials at the Department of Justice, the DOJ. As some of you already may know, just on Monday, she argued against the Illinois assault weapons ban, deeming it as unconstitutional. Here's a news clip that breaks down the situation.
The Illinois law that bans assault weapons is facing big opposition.
The Trump administration's Department of Justice spoke yesterday against that law during a court hearing.
Political reporter Paris Schutz is here with the latest.
Yeah, Sylvia and Terrence, Harmeet Dhillon is the head of the DOJ Civil Rights Division. She came to Chicago yesterday to testify in a federal court hearing against Illinois' assault weapons ban. Now, this passed after that horrific July 4th, 2022 Highland Park mass shooting. The ban was upheld by lower court and is being considered by the Chicago-based 7th Circuit Federal Appellate Court. Dhillon says she makes no bones about it. She believes the ban violates the Second Amendment.
The United States has a strong interest in ensuring that the Second Amendment is not relegated to a second-class right, and that all the law-abiding citizens of this circuit remain able to enjoy the full exercise of their Second Amendment rights, as binding Supreme Court precedent requires.
Long story short, she's saying that Illinois assault weapons ban is completely unethical and that all U.S. citizens should be able to exercise their Second Amendment rights.
And now, right after that, Dhillon and appellate court judge Frank Easterbrook got into a tense exchange. The judge mentioning that this is one of multiple court challenges to the assault weapons ban, worrying that different courts could come to different rulings on that. Dhillon says those other cases will not impact her view that a ban on assault weapons here in Illinois is unconstitutional. However, the appeals court rules this case is overwhelmingly likely to wind up before the U.S. Supreme Court. We did reach out to a spokesperson for Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul, who is defending this case in court. We have yet to hear back. Sylvia.
All right. Thank you, Paris.
Now, me being from Connecticut, I have a very deep understanding of assault weapons bans and how unconstitutional they are. Now, for gun owners in Connecticut, we've been screaming unconstitutional for years, right? But I'm gonna tell you, my people in Illinois, be on the lookout for this type of terminology. They might pull some shit out of their sleeve and they might classify those firearms as unusually dangerous, the same way they did to us over here in Connecticut. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what the hell is an unusually dangerous firearm? This is the type of terminology they use over here to talk about AR-15s and AKs and anything that matches the description of what they classify as an assault weapon. Now, for anyone that's watching this video, I have a question for you. What do you think is an ethical way to address gun violence without overstepping the boundaries of the 2A?